guys, welcome to another episode of Journey with the Jacksons. Hey guys, so thank you for tuning in to us all the time. Alright, so before you continue to watch this video, what should they do?
Subscribe,
like,
comment, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell their friends, right? So anyway guys, this video is brought to you by a request from one of our subscribers.
Why be lavish?
Why be lavish? Big up yourself. And we did a video some time ago on nicknames, Jamaican nicknames. So right now that's what we're gonna be doing. And at this present moment, we are in New Kingston, Jamaica. Baby, show them. Let's show them what it looks like.
Alright.
So we are outside of the Emancipation Park.
The park is somewhat closed, but a few persons are still over there. I guess maybe there's a set amount of persons that are allowed in the park. So,
and for all of those persons who are interested in owning their own home here in Jamaica, and you want to go through borrowing channels, the NHT, National Housing Trust, is just right down the road there. Right? I hope they're safe. But anyways, it's easy to find. So we're in New Kingston, Jamaica. It's a sunny here. Anywhere you are in the world watching this right now, just enjoy the sun through our camera lens, right?
If you are in America where it's freezing cold, hush. Soon get to come here.
I'm not in America, England, maybe Amsterdam, wherever. Alright, anyway, let's get into this video.
Alright, so which one is the first one on the list?
So, as we know, as Jamaicans, we always have funny things to say and funny names to call people. Right? I guess depending on where you are in this world, you may don't be offended by it. It's just our culture, and we like to give people name. And as I said in the previous video, we'll put the link below.
Sometimes it is you get a nickname based on something that you did, something that you did not do, or something that somebody for you did.
Or maybe how you look.
Or a look or a feature or something. Right.
Alright, so let's go. So the first one is Titus.
Alright, so there's a popular comedian in Jamaica that we call Titus. And I guess he was one of the persons who the name originated from.
Mind you, people have Titus as their official names, right? But the word Titus, I think, the nickname, Titus as a nickname comes from somebody wearing something extremely tight. Like if a man, usually a male.
Because back in the days, loose fitting clothes was the norm.
What's the thing?
Now, in our era now, when your clothes is close fitted, that is what is more the style, the trend. And mind you, some persons still wear their clothes loosely fit, so it's a preference thing. But for the younger generation, majority of the time it's close fitting. So Titus now, when your clothes is tight, close fitting on you, and like the waist of your pants is like up to your belly. That's my
up to your navel.
Up to your navel or past your navel, and you look draped. So your clothes we call it drape, drapos. Drapos too. Titus. Drapos, when your clothes just tight by and drape up, and you just look untidy. And I guess
you don't necessarily have to look untidy. You just look for lack of a better word, real
constipated. It looks like a constipated look.
We say what constipated? Oh my gosh. What a comparison. But guys, I hope you get what we were saying. You just look real stocky, you know? Alright. So our second name is Oney.
So a lot of persons get the name Oney.
Who they call Oney, baby? Who they call Oney? Who usually get that name?
Somebody who is missing a limb. Somebody who might be missing an eye. So maybe it's an arm.
Don't depend yourself.
Not myself. God forbid though. God forbid though. So alright. So somebody's missing an arm, a leg, a face.
A face? No, a face is not a part of it. But somebody's missing an arm or a leg.
What else? That's it.
Or you know, maybe an ear.
Yeah, an ear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you know, the first thing that people will see you with your crutches walking, they'll say, "Yo, Oney, walk on." Right?
Yeah.
And some people find it offensive.
Yeah, some persons get used to it.
Yeah, get used
because
to it.
Because it's almost like everywhere you go, somebody say Oney. So eventually some persons just say, alright, Oney, yes.
But do you agree that our society is becoming more sensitive to these things? We are now...
Some sections, some persons still, Oney.
Okay, do you agree that a large section of our society is now becoming a bit more sensitive to these things? Yeah, I think so. Because
you're right. Because we would not look at somebody and call them Oney. No, we wouldn't joke about that. Yeah, we're not joking about that.
No. Yeah. So and I think and nowadays people are moving to using the word disabled. Yeah, or special needs. So yeah. So just be nice where that is concerned, because nowadays the climate is a bit different. Yeah. But that's one of the names, one of the nicknames. Another one is what?
Toffee.
Yeah, Toffee.
Yeah man, Toffee.
So when Jamaicans say your favorite Toffee,
you have a rigid look.
Yeah, or not only that, you're muscular, you're well chiseled,
well toned. Some persons are born like with a rigid tone feature. So some persons work towards it. So regardless, you will get the name. So some persons will get the name Toffee based on your physical feature, to say you look muscular. Yeah, most time is a female.
It's a female get it,
yeah.
Because oftentimes people think that once you're a male and you're chiseled and muscular,
that's like
it's
norm.
hot. Yeah.
Yes.
But so I mean, a number of female in Jamaica, people even use it as curse words too.
Toffee.
Like
Toffee.
Go away, Toffee. You tough like. And them kind of way. Yeah. Another one is, and this one is named after a cartoon that was mostly popular in our era. Scooby-Doo.
Babe, I don't know nobody named Scooby.
Really? And when we go to halfway through here, we talk about, yo, Scooby, come true.
So how will them get the name they do?
Because you know how for those of you who are familiar with the cartoon Scooby-Doo and Shaggy.
Scooby-Doo.
Yeah.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you?
And so Scooby has this kind of a look as a dog. Scooby's a dog, you know, but he has kind of a long face, and just the way how Scooby operates, like next to human, is somebody somewhat related.
I'm not catching on, but
you know, I say no. For me,
comment. Tell you what, guys. Comment if you understand what Shana is saying.
No, guys. What I'm saying is, I think that persons who get the name Scooby-Doo or Scooby, better yet, they somewhat resembles the character Scooby-Doo in the cartoon Scooby-Doo, right? Okay. So why I'm saying that is because the dog Scooby-Doo in the cartoon, dog Scooby. In the cartoon Scooby Dog or whatever in here, Scooby-Doo, that dog has so many characters of like a human being. So that is why they would get that name. Usually it is the males who have a long face and they're oftentimes tall.
So they're not calling Shaggy, because Shaggy have a long face.
No, but Shaggy is another nickname in Jamaica. But Shaggy is somebody who we see as with a lot of hair. Who's very hairy.
Unkept or something like so.
Me not really think him unkept.
Shaggy different from Shabby.
Yeah, Shaggy different from. Nobody not calling him Shabby. No, Shabby, I want to face the word like you look bad, shabby. You're unkept.
The Jamaicans business, but anyway, I guess.
but definitely Shaggy is another word that people say. Yo, Shaggy, come true.
Shaggy.
Yeah, because we even have our dancer artist there.
Yeah, Shaggy.
Shaggy. But Shaggy is a pet name, or better yet, a nickname given to people with a lot of hair. Alright, you somewhat agree, you don't agree, but these names exist. Alright, tickers. Tickas.
Tickas.
What I mean?
A female who is curvaceous and have a lot of
fat?
not necessarily fat. Well, fatty is usually used different from Tickas. So a Tickas usually is associated with more curves to the body of a female.
And I think that female has just, in what the man, in the person's eye, has just the right amount of body mass. You know what I mean? That person is not too fat and that person is not too skinny. But
no, not skinny, none at all.
Right. But more to the plump
side, but more a sexy type of plump. You think so?
But fat sexy too?
Yeah, because it's relative.
Well, guess
but
what?
Most men, when most men say Tickas, they're actually referring to a woman who has a good sized body mass but sexy with it.
It's like to each his own. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder, guys.
Yes, it is.
We're just trying to explain how it is that Jamaicans, you know, see that from through their eyes. So I hope you get that. Yeah. So Tickas or Tickas, you know, really a girl where a man deemed Tickas, because I mean the girl can be a little bit over whatever and little bit less than skinny, but the man thinks she thick anyway. So I don't know, whatever. But Tickas a word where, you know, and I think a lot of a number of Jamaican females seem to like that.
Tickas.
When people call them, like a man say, yo, Tickas wagwan, which, you know.
Yeah, a lot of them like. Some women don't like it.
Yeah.
So guys, if you are watching this, be careful. Some female might consider it disrespectful. So beware.
Alright, so the next one is Juba.
Juba, yeah.
How many people know that name?
Juba.
Maybe 3.
A few, but I don't understand why persons get the name Juba though, because I can't think of a feature that is associated with the name Juba.
I agree with you.
But if you guys know any reason why somebody might call somebody Juba, kindly just let us know. Comment below.
Yeah, please educate us, because we don't know. It's definitely a popular name here,
Juba.
Nickname, but we don't know it.
Just loosely used.
Alright, so next one is Ratty.
Ratty. Yeah man, so if you look like a rat,
they call you a ratty.
Yeah, no, not if you look like a rat. If somebody considers that your physical appearance resembles that of a rat, somebody might call you ratty. Or also if you move in a sinister way, something like that, then somebody might also call you ratty. Ratty.
But usually they look on your features.
So you know the rat has a certain prolonged facial features to some persons, but that's a rude name. Please don't call anybody ratty. That is not nice.
Yeah, but I don't think that name is really popular anymore, like in school. You think so?
Of course.
I don't know.
I think so.
I don't know.
Ratty.
So like here in Jamaica, oftentimes we hear these names. So let's say for example, Titus, right? And we didn't realize that person's official name is actually not Titus. And we wouldn't even realize this until we would have gone to like let's say a birthday party, a wedding, or a funeral. Then we would have realized that, oh my gosh, this person's name is actually Sean King. And you're like, yo. So guys, wherever you're from, which country you're from, there must be at least one nickname that is popular there. What do you think, babe?
Yeah.
So you can tell us down below, or even if you're Jamaican and there are nicknames that you're familiar with that we've not mentioned, please don't be afraid to just hit us up in the comment section and tell us those names.
Yeah man, straight. So guys, thank you for checking out our channel, and always remember to make every day an adventure. Bye.